Excel spreadsheets, while flexible, are designed with data entry and cell-level calculations in mind, rather than resolving modern data quality and repeatability needs. As a result, the common complaints about Excel for data prep are it's highly manual, error-prone, slow to process data, rigid, and for some, non-functional. Not to mention the challenges associated with data sharing and collaboration caused by spreadsheet silos, as well as traceability and repeatability or data workflow reuse, which requires VBA coding skills. Paxata addresses these challenges and allows you to accomplish the same tasks using a visual, click-based approach. In this video, we will walk through 3 common data prep scenarios to compare both approaches. To illustrate, we will be working with product sales and financial planning data. The first way is detecting data quality issues. Common data quality issues can wreak havoc on the accuracy and completeness of your data and skew or even invalidate your analysis. To find data quality issues in Excel, you are likely using a combination of techniques such as opening autofilters on specific columns to scan for anomalies and blanks, and pivot tables to attempt to find gaps in the data or discrepancies in the aggregate amounts. To find data quality issues in Paxata, you simply open a filtergram on one or more data columns. Filtergrams are powerful tools that help you understand the full distribution of data values and not just a small sample. In this scenario, we now see product type has 358 unique values, including 408 blanks and 352 invalid values. Order date shows a clear outlier with an order year of 2071. And gross margin shows a bimodal distribution of values with 1200 rows missing this calculation and some possible outliers to take a closer look at in the data grid. The second way is in fixing and cleaning data issues. To fix data quality issues in Excel, you may be able to use one of the available tools in the data menu, but often you need to create a nested formula that is complex and difficult to read, such as this one that is calculating gross margin while attempting to account for some data quality problems. To fix data quality issues in Paxata, you have many built-in point-and-click options in the column operations menu, including change into, split, find and replace, fill down, trim whitespace, as well as an algorithm-based data cleanup option called cluster and edit. The third way is in merging and joining data. When it comes to data merging, the VLOOKUP function is complex and carries with it several limitations, as well as the processing time it requires for anything but small data sets. To look up or merge data in Excel, you must resort to the infamous VLOOKUP function and think about the task from a programmatic view. Due to this rigid formula, you will need to ensure the data involved in the lookup as well as the lookup table is properly organized and clean. Otherwise, you will encounter some cryptic error codes. After all this, you will need to fill down the VLOOKUP formula to the remaining cells and check that none were mistakenly omitted due to unseen filters. To look up or merge data in Paxata, you simply click on the Attach Lookup tool and select the dataset which represents your lookup table. Then, select the column or columns to use for the lookup, and Paxata will immediately show you a row-by-row preview of your lookup or join. In cases where you aren't sure which columns are ideal to use for your lookup, use Detect Joins to have Paxata's algorithmic intelligence suggest the columns to consider along with a join score that is derived from the percent of overlap between the two datasets. Furthermore, you have lots of point-and-click options which allow you to modify the lookup type and the fuzzy matching options applied. This interactive experience is very flexible and allows you to see the data come together in real time. As an added bonus, the Sources filtergram allows you to see and filter all matched and mismatched records across all of your datasets. In this scenario, we can easily view all the matching records between the sales plan data, the consolidated product sales data, and the product hierarchy. In conclusion, Excel is a double-edged sword. It is flexible, but when it comes to data preparation and ensuring the data is fully clean, complete, and processed in a repeatable and scalable fashion, it is inherently limited and even adds risk due to how easy it is to change any cell. Paxata is a purpose-built data prep solution that provides a point-and-click experience to discover data quality issues immediately and clean, consolidate, merge, and transform all your data in a governed and repeatable manner. To try Paxata for yourself, go to paxata.com/get-started.